Next round, Frontera Field 8.
Oh! It's so saucy.
Master Cruel ang puta. Walang master pre. Pakwit na nga eh. Mahal nun eh. Sisi pambili nun eh. As ano pa random shit.
Can you hear me?
Medium. Next clue.
Right there. I don't look right there.
Grave worm, goods. Grave worm pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave worm. Ang sagot. Grave worm. Si crazy. That's crazy.
Okay. Okay. I'm positive.
Yan o, si
Just
Moon.
drive it to the motel.
Welcome to the stream, Repa. May specific na name, parang ano to, sa mga nanguhula, ano to, parang specific name mob. Nandun siya sa si Mini, nag-claim na ba si Mini?
Bro, someone tried to target.
Ayun, si Mini. Si Aishi, si Kikuchi pala auto-win. Si Tagums, si Triggerman, tsaka si Rare. Since yung lumang streamer egg, nandun sa bagong streamer egg, tapos chance siya makuha, mas okay sana. Lahat ng Shadow Gears nandun na sa streamer egg na luma.
You know that we will.
1 minute. Para sa mga entries. Na mga nandito pa sa stream. May 1 minute. Ito. Cell Aruna Felts.
I don't think I remember.
Warper, Castle, Warper. Let's raffle na tayo. Suggestion ko sa inyo, gumamit kayo ng Divine Pride.
He's just complaining. No, I'm getting scared.
Oh.
I'm evil, right? So I get to do whatever. I'm more evil than you. Let's fight.
4 seconds. Hanap lang tayo ng ipapaguess. Yung mga gusto sumali, pasok na sa pub. Unang mag-chat sa pub, pre.
Shoes are there.
Wala pa din nakakakuha. Ayun, nakuha.
No, it's like this, and I love unicorn.
Right, hey.
What?
Nice.
You found it on YouTube.
Ito sila ano,
Wait,
Tekra.
can you spot
Ano may
a car?
rebellion pa din pala.
Can you spot a car? I'm positive. Wait lang. Spot a car.
3 minutes. 2 minutes. Start.
Did you know while you were absent last December, I actually sat in your suite and then I was watching with Rima.
Laro tayo na. Wait lang ah. Magda-double. Lobat na headset ko. Challenge. See God's Anger. Elite Siege Whites and Blue Potion Exchange availability in Utility Quest NPC. Bakit kasi ang dami ng may shadow armor eh.
Dito na ako.
Hindi, bago no. Kaila ano to ah. Kaila... Face...
One for a rainbow, one for Amanda. For your playing with me. Amanda.
Tapos, raffle sa top fan pati sa subscriber. Yun, subscribe lang kayo sa page. 99 pesos per month. Yun, maraming salamat, Boss Atong, sa 2 months pa. Last round. Sa mga kay Brew, ano to? Kay Brew, kay Bullet, pre, may ano kayo sa akin, may console. Ika. Okay, Boss Jemuel. Okay, kanino to akan eh? Ayun, swerte pre. Sakto. Thank you.
My brother is sleeping, and he never says anything. He just put his
Siguro 25 LC per round sa Guess the Monster. Kamusta naman server mga pre? Tapos sa mga nakatambay sa stream, may ano tayo dyan. Si Namrepus siya, si Penny ang next. 11 seconds para sa kanila. Usa. Kayo uwi kayo, di ba? Wednesday. Kaya nyo na yan, pre.
right there. On that brown really right.
Yun o, Boss JC Artilero.
Oh, I'm going to send it to you.
Okay lang yan, basta ano.
I think okay then. Let's do the thing again. Okay. Bro, why are you a fat rubber?
Wait lamang.
He said that zombies will tell you at the nighttime if you're staying up.
Grabe, 18k LC. Ang in. Grabe yung presyo ng mga item talaga. Di ba Orc Lord yun? Orca clothes. Ano yung orca clothes?
Girl, how are they hiding something?
Gogo nun.
I'm gonna make you headless, headless.
So, naglabas na ng roadmap yung ano, no? Lakas RO. So, September trans. Tapos,
650. This is how you spell it.
ayun, si Jojo. Ang stream. Bali pagkatapos nito ng tele-LGP, guess the months, yung sa LC siguro
I ever got.
ano 20 LC each round. Oh, 1 minute tapos next clue.
Why did the teacher jump into the pool? He wanted to test the water. I'm gonna link to him. Let's see. Yeah, he's still
Yun. So, nauna si Shenlong, si Chi, si Mid.
How?
Because we always fought.
Oh, baby, baby.
Hello. What? Yes, can you put more pages, please? And
Ang habol sa ano? Sa streamer eggs. Okay, next. Medium. Para sa 25 LC, 25 LC na to.
same. Let me run over Jollibee. It's fun.
Monster number 20888, level 220, poison 4. Insect large.
Yeah. Just follow me.
Ano ba to? Si Banayad, si Kikochi, si... Naglaad lang ba yun? Kala ko nag-tele. Gabi. Sige, pre.
My name's actually Nina Elizabeth.
Who are you talking to? Hey.
I'm talking to Sabina White. Huh? Yeah, what?
Ulit, tapos next clue. Ano else, Jewel? Ano yan, pre?
Tell me who I
Welcome. Ikaw nanalo sa sa top fan raffle. May 1 week VIP ka sa akin. Mamaya bigay ko. Nandun sa isang character ko eh. Full subscribers. VIP din 1 week. Wait lang. Nilista ko pala yung mga subs.
Drive it to the hotel. Hotel ka na.
Guess the monster mga pre. May delay.
Have you ever...
Di na ata aabot.
Wait, you cut your hair? You didn't tell me. So that I can cut my hair just like light. It's quick. It's like a street food where people sell it by 4 o'clock to like 6.
Napin ko na lang. Kung gusto niyo sumali, kailangan niyo gumamit ng ibang character. Kailangan niyo lang gumamit ng ibang character. Say that you remember.
Can you join me?
Yan, Arrow Guild, Balfreya.
Farm game. Possible.
LLGP sa Square pre ah. Weapon Shadow Shield. Goods yun. Wala pre, hindi ko alam sa gift box eh. Di naman ako naglalaro kasi masyado na.
Yo? Yeah.
So after 5 minutes, lalakihan ko ulit yung square.
Because
Still has to go once. Tele ka muna, kayo King. Tele. Sa front, dito sa tambayan.
Bro, I'm trying to not remember.
Online ka
I
ba?
don't know how to.
Dream anymore. No. Oh. Buwan ni Koto ko, guns yan.
Hello.
Nilfame Dungeon. Grabe kubra.
I really missed you for a bit. Sorry, I was...
Kaya pasok lang lahat ng gustong sumali. Hanap lang ako ng mobs. Wala din. O si ano na? Si Meijin tsaka si Dreamworks.
Okay, so... You copied mine. Ayo?
Palaro tayo. Check ko lang kung ano mga bago. Pusong ina fish. Tapos MDF. Madali lang makuha yan, pre. Medium size water. 1 minute.
The joke about this shit. I mean, never mind.
Next. Tignan natin.
Eddie changed mine.
Yan.
Eddie changed...
Sa guess the monster natin, pre.
I forgot this...
Level na lang siguro.
Right.
O, pag tumunog yung timer, tas wala pa nakakahula, after yun, siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin, Guess the Monster. 2 rounds NL's Jewel, 5 rounds LC. Tapos may Dancer for Pepino. Demu as the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. When you're playing Minecraft, they said that they right in. Okay. I dare you. I dare you to.
Should be over all the butterflies. Very, very close na, pre. As in, talagang si Fenny tsaka si Namrepus ang next in line. "27 entries."
Yeah, if you join me in Roblox.
Aking i-tuklo. Either element or size.
But I love it.
Sige pre, check ko. Nakapin ba yun? Valentine.
Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my
Bilis lang yan,
screen
pa.
with Roblox.
Hindi mo na mamalayan. Wala na yata sila. Sayang naman ang mga turbo. De, okay ka na, ano? Okay ka na, Boss Ato. Matik na yan. Basta subscriber, matik yan, pre. Baria, say that you remember. It's in September. $100 NL's jewel to ah. Mag-aano tayo, kumaga tayo matapos dito.
I'm gonna change your
Siguro pag, guess the monster tayo.
I'll be fine. I guess I'm gonna trade everything for.
Notify na kayo mga pre. Let's get married.
Oh, I thought you have-
See you in the guest.
It's just in my mind.
Hindi ko nga mabuksan upgraded shadow box. Tapos parang wala nang upgrade. Bilang dun eh. Two minutes, 1 minute na lang, tapos magbibigay ako ng bagong clue. iPhone please.
At least I left.
Pulista lang ako. 15 winners. Kaya bang kayo? 15 winners to, isang bagsak ah.
Yellow. Bro, we're switching accounts. That's crazy.
Last of a dying breed. wonder if the therapist knows. Bahala kayo dyan. Hanggang sa maubos to. Pag wala talaga, edi 12 lang, 13 lang ang winners. Baby.
I went back to your account in 1 second.
First to chat sa pub. First to chat. I always wanted this and it's not a... Okay, next round. 4 rounds. Ayun bago.
I don't know.
Wait. Nako. Yung level. Madali na siyang i-search.
Funny. Just asking. Dami mo na.
Ayan. Pangay na kasi, laki. G. Something will come between us.
Bro, they're trying to watch drama class.
Check lang. Notify lang kayo mga pre. Check lang ako ng mga top fan kung meron pa. Saka subs.
I'm gonna trade away your stuff. You're
1 minute na lang yung clue natin, yung pagitan. So, after 1 minute, lalakyan ko pa ng konti yung picture, tapos 1 minute ulit. Oh, next clue natin, medium.
I'm back. I'm back.
Huwag nyo hanapin, pre na. Ayun, so... Kung gusto nyong kung gusto nyong
This is
auto lista, auto claim, sa subscriber. One minute before the next clue. Hoy! Hoy, Boss Atong! Yan, salamat sa share, Mini. Sa mga gustong sumali sa Guess the Monster, punta tayo dito sa taas ng front. Tapos,
oh. O paano yan?
ano ba? Yung LC, tapos yung mga pala. Teka, ano lang. Kamusta ang WoW eh?